Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're in downtown Paphos, and we'd like you to come for a little walk with us as we attack and storm the Paphos Promenade. And I've got with me the most beautiful woman in the world, and she's going to transcend down these steps, and then she's going to give you a very, very good hello. Here she comes, Miss Ochin Gracivia Labu.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again
and again. So where are we? The very, very start of the downtown Paphos Promenade. This is a wood-decked area. That's the Cafe Nero, that's the Pizza Hut. You've got the Altea all-day restaurant next door to it. And of course, this is the exercising machines that have been installed by the municipality to allow people to have, well, a little bit of a monkey around, shall we say. So there is a machine on the very end that Miss Ochin Gracivia Labouf does like to have a little bit of wiggle and waggle on. There's a wall behind that for me to have a little sit on, and then we can enjoy the great views of the rear end of Miss Ochin Gracivia Labouf, and of course the blue Mediterranean Sea. Here we go. Let the monkeying around begin. What have you got to say, Gracivia Labouf?
It's nice in a dress because you've got all this ventilation coming down from down, you know. I'm in a dress.
Right, let's go and have a little seat and let's enjoy the views as the monkeying around continues. Here we go. Ochin Gracivia Labouf and the blue Mediterranean Sea. I don't think that it can get much better than that. So if you're looking for that perfect place to come, for that perfect holiday, and to grab that little bit of winter sun, Paphos could be that special place for you. Middle of November, 25 degrees, the sun is glistening down, and that blue Mediterranean Sea is licking and lapping the coastline of downtown Paphos. And it appears that we've got a very busy day indeed, because as we look up into the blue sky, there is yet another.
Are you sure there is not a war starting in Cyprus?
Well, there's a few aeroplanes coming into town today. So that's another 250 people or thereabouts being flown in by the one and only EasyJet, judging by the graphic on the back of the plane. So there's plenty of people coming into town, and hopefully some of those people are going to come and hunt us down. Receiving?
You know, it's a bit scary because this time of the year you probably will see twice a week the airplanes coming in, and maybe once a week or twice a week again going out. But now, my goodness.
We're having a busy day. There's lots of people flying in because they've all understood that they want that last little bit of winter sun. Because, as you've come to understand with this channel, that sky, well, it's blue. That sea, it's blue. The sun is glistening down, so all that's actually missing is you. I'm dressed head to toe in blue. So let's get the words out of Gracivia Labouf's mind. Get yourself
on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy, because Cyprus is only waiting for you.
There we go. Those are the words from Ochin Gracivia Labouf. Where are we? There's a few motorbikes in town as well. And as you can see, there's some Christmas decorations being, well, placed around the town. That's because Christmas is literally just around the corner. If you're wondering what time of year it is, well, we are in November, and we're well into November. Christmas is literally around that lamppost. So Santa will be coming to town. I'll be dressed in something. Gracivia Labouf will be dressed in something. And those videos hopefully will be monkeying around with two Gumbaru number ones, the one and only, the younger Mr. Jeremy, and the one and only, the older Mr. Simon. You never know, we might come across them on this little walk now, because they often frequent the downtown Paphos harbour area, and they wiggle and they waggle and they walk up and down non-stop, because they understand that they are in paradise, and they understand that the sunshine is absolutely spectacular. 25 degrees, and it's glistening on the blue Mediterranean Sea today. There's a lot of motorbikes going on, so I think there's a bit of a meet going on. There's a lot of Gumbarus come into town, and they are wandering around their bikes. And to be honest, the promenade is not that busy.
It's maybe this funny time when
could be that funny time, isn't it?
Waiting for their food to come.
Yes, this is true. Because a lot of people are all-inclusive in the hotels, so of course, lunchtime they go back. Yeah, that's right. But anyway, we're going to get to the end of the promenade, and then we are going to go and get something to eat, and you never know, we might get to take you with us as we digest something tasty. What do you think?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I could eat a horse.
A
Or maybe
horse?
two.
Well, we're going the wrong way. Let's go back to the Alexander the Great, and let's have a munch on Stavros's legs.
Yeah.
Huh? Because the Alexander the Great, Alex obviously is in residence, but obviously he brought his horse along as well, and he always parks that horse up outside, and that horse is named Stavros, and everyone who comes to that hotel, especially the girls, they do like to ride that horse. So at the moment, I think, hold on, let's check the watch. Yep, I think also Sweet Caroline will have just got off him, she'll have ridden him, and of course very, very soon in the near future Miss Maggie's going to come, she'll probably have a ride. And then after that, Dame Anne will come, and I've no doubt she'll have a ride as well. And one of these days, in one of these videos, if you come back, I can promise you, we're going to get Oching Booth to ride Stavros. What do you think?
Oh dear, it's very high.
Yes, well, we'll bring a ladder.
Okay.
Yep, and then Oching Booth can have a monkey around. I want to show you the blue Mediterranean Sea, and over there are two guys dunking around. That is the municipality area where you can get into the sea very, very easy. There's locker rooms, changing rooms, that sort of stuff. There's a lady in a bikini. There's some people taking photos. And just over yonder, there are people bobbing around in the sea. And as we come round, there's that thing called the sun. And of course, that is glistening across the blue Mediterranean Sea. I don't think it can get any better than that. Well, in fact, it can. There's the rear end view of Oching Booth.
At the moment being, the sea is so clear. I could see every single little stone or big stone in it.
Yeah, the sea is ultra clear, to be honest. There's something special about this time of year. November in Paphos is simply paradise. Digest and take those views with you. Whether you're coming to Paphos or whether you're leaving Paphos, Paphos must have a place in your heart, because Paphos is somewhere very, very special indeed. Lots of people come back to Paphos 2 to 3 times a year, but once you've been to Paphos, you will come back. You may venture someone else for 2 or 3 years, but I promise you, you will come back. As we move along now, we come to what I call the little sandy, shaly beach that is at the midpoint on the Cato Paphos Promenade. And as you can see, well, that little beach is pretty busy. There's a lot of people chilled out, relaxed, literally running in the water, because the weather is absolutely to die for. That is for sure.
I think we can make Mr. Nigel to feel.
Ah, yes. Well, I don't think he's jealous, because he's actually been in the shop, seen Miss Cooler and bought 1 or 2 bits and bobs, and the shop's closed and the shutters are down. So we can't make him jealous today. But guess what, Mr. Nigel? We'll come back tomorrow and we're going to have a chat with Miss Cooler and see what she's got in store for you. And oh so sweet next time. Fully closed. There it is. He's bought everything and there's nothing left.
Let's go
You see?
and try to find some glasses that I promised Miss.
Well, was it this
sweet,
shop?
Sweet. Well, they may have it.
You may have it, right? We
Yes.
have promised oh so Sweet Caroline a pair of glasses that she's spotted, so we're going to have a look and see if we can find them. Receiver Booth knows what she's looking for. Well, she doesn't, but she always knows she wants to buy something. Here we go. Look at the concentration and the focus in Miss Oching Booth's mind. All she's thinking about is acquiring something. It doesn't matter if it's for her or if it's someone else, as long as she gets to buy something. Nope, they're not there. We'll look somewhere else. Which glasses are they? The same as yours? In white or black? In white. Well, don't worry, oh so sweet. We will acquire you a brand new set in a nice little bag, and they will be especially for you. There's another display over here. Let's have a quick look. Now we know what we're looking for.
No, there is a little bit different style.
They're more
over there.
many ones, aren't they, those?
Yes, they're not.
Yeah. Never mind, we'll keep looking, and we promise you we will find those glasses especially for you. Let's take you out and show you the blue Mediterranean Sea, and then it'll be time for the big goodbye from Miss Oching receiver booth. That's provided that we can drag her away from that shop. Jeremy, Simon, if you're watching, listen to me very carefully. You've offered to take receiver booth shopping. If I was you, I would not, because, well, I'd leave it to your last few days of your holiday, because if you go at this stage and you've got over a month and a half to go, you're going to end up sleeping on the beach. Have a look at that. Nice beach though. And there we have another big bird coming in. What a day we are having. More and more tourists being flown into downtown Paphos. Receive your booth.
Can you imagine? I'm sweating.
Perspiring.
When I,
You are perspiring.
Perspiring. When I work so hard, I always perspiring. And I would like to tell you, really, I'm very wet. I would like to tell you that we're really enjoying our work. And there's another 5th airplane now flying to Paphos. Something's going on. I think we have to run, or we have to go and see the news, what's going on around the world. We're loving you to be. Don't forget to come and see another our madnesses. Many kisses from the bottom of our 2 hearts.
What's left to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Going to leave you with that jet as it descends, and of course the beautiful view across the blue Mediterranean Sea. Thanks for watching. I don't think I'll be bringing the twin brothers in there.
Luckily, I don't have the twin brothers.
Thanks for watching.
But it's very nice.